Pothole repair on small paved surfaces can be done by a homeowner with the right materials and careful preparation. Start by assessing the damage and the surrounding pavement to confirm the surface is appropriate for a small-scale repair. Remove water and loose debris from the hole with a stiff brush and a shop vacuum or compressed air if available so the patch adheres properly. Square the hole edges with a cold chisel or masonry saw to create a uniform depth of at least 1 inch so the new material bonds and does not feather out. For low to moderate traffic areas, use a cold patch asphalt or a polymer modified material that remains workable in cool temperatures. Warm the cold patch bag by placing it in a warm room for a few hours for easier compaction. Compact the material in layers no thicker than 2 inches using a hand tamper or rented plate compactor, and feather the edges with aggregate so water sheds away from the repair. Finish by sealing the perimeter with a thin bead of hot or cold applied crack sealant to prevent water infiltration, and schedule a re-inspection after 90 days to check for settlement. Common issues start with poor drainage, which lets water undermine the patch, causing rapid failure, so regrade the area and add a shallow slope away from the repair before patching. Another frequent mistake is inadequate compaction, which leaves voids and causes rutting. Always compact in layers, and use a heavy tamper or mechanical compactor for any patch over 4 inches deep. The third problem is applying the wrong material for the traffic level, leading to premature breakdown. So choose a polymer modified cold mix for light commercial or drive-through traffic, and limit repairs to walkways, side driveways, parking pads, and other low to moderate traffic surfaces, rather than major roadways. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and browse community discussions about repairs like this, so we can compare techniques and materials with neighbors. We also help contractors find work by listing projects and allowing them to join conversations with homeowners and other contractors.